Today I'm going to be reviewing my Indesit MyTime EWD81482S. The one I have here is in silver. The great thing about this machine is it's the only washing machine with everyday cycles under 59 minutes. I'll start with some product specifications. The machine can hold an 8kg load. It has a spin speed of 1400 RPM. It has 16 wash programs on a dial which are all listed on the front of the machine for easy selection. 6 of the 16 programs are rapid, which means that they range in time from 20 minutes to 59, listed here and here. Some of the features on this machine that I think are particularly useful is the fuzzy logic, which in essence is a technology which means that the machine uses predictive mathematical algorithms to work out which resources are needed, water and heat, based on the weight of the wash load, ensuring the best result using as little water and energy as possible. For people with sensitive skin, there's Super Rinse, which removes as much of the detergent as possible. There is a time to end display, so you know how long you've got left on your wash. That's indicated here. There's variable spins so that you can select a program but personalise the function, changing the spin speed from 200 to 1400 as required. There's a variable temperature program, so again, if you require a different temperature from that of the selected program, you can change it on this dial. There's a sports program dedicated to gym kits and sportswear, which removes tough mud and grass stains, which is a program that will get a lot of use in my house because of my horse riding and my husband's rugby playing, and we have 2 mucky dogs. Also, there's an easy iron function. This will be particularly handy for my husband's work shirts. It has a program for duvet covers and curtains, so it's great for maintaining your soft furnishing and winter coats. There's a delay timer here. So if you don't want the wash to start at that present time, you can set it for up to 24 hours time. And finally, I think it's very handy that the machine switches itself off after 30 minutes, saving you energy. Now I'm going to demonstrate how easy the machine is to operate. I've already got my washing in here with a tablet. Here you can put, if you require powder or conditioner, there. I've already turned the machine on. I've selected a synthetic wash. It comes out at 59 minutes. I'm happy with all the other things. Press start. Gives a beep to let you know it's starting. You can hear it's not very loud at all. You barely know it's in operation once the machine is going, which is great because in the past I've had to shut the kitchen doors because it drowns out music in the rest of the house. I'd like to thank AO.com for the opportunity to review this washing machine. The service I received was faultless. The washing machine was delivered within 48 hours of the order being placed. The machine was delivered, plumbed in, and all the packaging was removed. My father-in-law took the delivery and I was pleasantly surprised upon my return from work to find the machine ready to go with no mess. I cannot recommend AO.com enough. I'll show you out here quickly. Here is a wash load which was used for heavily soiled matters when the dogs left their toys in the garden. Back to the machine. Still filling up, but you can hear it's not very loud at all. You see, dials and programs.